Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate code with DeepSeek AI step by step. Whether you're learning programming, building a website, or working on a coding project, DeepSeek can help you generate code in different programming languages within seconds. It can also explain code, fix errors, and help you understand how the code works. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll guide you through everything from start to finish. So let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to begin a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type a prompt describing the code you want to generate. For this example, write a simple HTML page with a heading and a button. After typing the prompt, click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will generate the HTML code in just a few seconds. Next, ask DeepSeek to create a CSS style sheet by typing Write a simple CSS style for this HTML page. Send the prompt, and it will generate matching CSS code. Now, if you want to make the page interactive, Write JavaScript to display an alert when the button is clicked. Send the prompt, and DeepSeek will generate the JavaScript code. If you're new to programming and don't understand the code, simply ask, Explain this code in simple words. DeepSeek will explain each part in an easy-to-understand way. Once you're satisfied with the generated code, you can copy it and use it in your project or code editor. That's how easy it is to generate code with DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.